Hello, I'm Jonathan, also known as the Medieval Genie, hence this silly shirt, and basically we're going to be doing a very simple blacksmithing project, which is making this. Now I've got a tent that I've had for about 10 years or so. I've had some pegs go missing, some that were damaged and I'd straightened so much they were getting beyond repair. I've had some plastic pegs to replace them, but plastic is corporate vomit, let's be honest, so that stuff broke very easily. So I'm needing to make some of these. I could just buy some, but it's actually cheaper to use scrap metal instead. So I've got some scrap metal, and we're going to be, of course, making some tent pegs just like this. So, here are the results. So, one of these, of course, was the original. Off camera, I found another one of these which was badly damaged, and I was able to repair that over the anvil, so that's another one gained. Plus, of course, we have these three. So, let me find, what was that one? So, this one, and this one were made out of that rod material. So let me take them together for you. Of course, this one has got a crook in it. I'll probably need to straighten that out, but it's fine. Of course, it's got the hooks there, slightly curved so that the, any thick strings or the hooks of the tent or whatever don't come off, or at least are less likely to. And another feature I've done is this. Put it closer to the camera. It'll be, see if the camera focuses. Not very well, it seems. But they haven't got proper points on, but they're just slightly rounded, which means they should break through tougher soil a bit better. But I haven't given them proper sharp points because rocks and things will just immediately blunt them and actually curl them, which will make the whole thing much worse than if it was just flat. So hopefully it should be just right, like Goldilocks porridge, and that should all be good. Then you've got this one, similar sort of story. This one, of course, I've done a bit more tapering. It's got a bit more of a point going on, rounded at the very tip, the same way as the others. But this tapering was done because I didn't feel like it was long enough, even though it was quite a thick material made from a screwdriver. And that's where the If you can see a ridge on that. And of course on the inside, that's where the sort of wings that went inside the rubbery, plasticky handle used to be. So I'm quite happy, because I started off with one, that I found immediately in a garage. There was one decent tent peg, and I've got 5. One that was fixed, that was damaged previously, and 3 that have been made entirely from scratch. So that should make for some happier camping by me. So there it is. Hope you learned something, and see you later.